This video will show you how to use QuickSearch at the Wayne State Library's website. Begin your search at the library homepage, library.wayne.edu. QuickSearch allows you to search anytime and anywhere from desktop or mobile. To start a search, simply type in keywords and select Search. At the results page, QuickSearch will separate the results into several categories. If you know the title or author of the item you want, such as a book or article, you can type it in the search box and select Search to see if it is available. Another option, if you have a citation, is to easily copy and paste the citation into the search bar and select Search. If we have access to the book or article, it will most likely show up on the results page under the corresponding category. You can also use QuickSearch to look up an item with a unique identifier, such as a DOI or ISBN. If we have access to the item, it will also most likely show up on the search results page. Here are some other common unique identifiers you can use to search. Need help? Librarians are available via chat, email, phone, or by appointment.